Well, good day, everyone. Today we are in Iowa, just outside of Davenport at the world's largest truck stop. Let's go on in and see what they have to offer. I've never been here before. Daze with Jordan the Lion begins right now. There it is, the famous Iowa 80 truck stop. I'm excited. They have a full museum inside of here, actually, on top of everything else. As soon as you walk in. Hey there, Frosty. Whoa, look at that. Okay, it's one of those places that has a little bit of everything, as we can see. Full restaurant over there. Over here's the restaurant, and they have a full-size truck in here. They have a full Western shop over there too. Look at this, if you want to get a Sting Duster from back in the NWO days, right there it is. Wow, that's Man in Black type stuff. Johnny Cash. Oh cool, look at this Army vehicle. This old Army Jeep. Even cooler, they have someone driving it. Look at this, if you go upstairs, showers, theater, barber, dentist, public laundry, and chiropractor. Okay, tons of Christmas stuff here for the holidays. Full sleigh here. And then tons of eateries in here, of course. Tons of options. Tons of toys. Perfect Pets. So I'll show you some of the places available. Einstein Bagels, Caribou Coffee. They even have an Orange Julius. Not open yet today, but God, I love an Orange Julius. Pizza Hut. Taco Bell. Wendy's. And they have a full mural over here. An Iowa 80 mural, which of course is all the history and things of Iowa. And they have a little arcade in here, a few games. And then of course it's like your normal truck stop where you can get the drinks and all that kind of stuff. Even dog stuff, even dog treats, dog toys. You've got a couple of vehicles up here with elves in them. And then if you look over here past the coffee section, they have another vehicle. It's an Iowa 80 standard oil truck. I'm not sure what era that's from or what years that would have been. Katie's off looking around. She loves these kind of places too. little bit of something for everyone. Glow in the dark shirt. And they've cut this truck in half to use it for sales. Iowa 80 Trucking Museum. I know that driver. Wow. Those are flip-flops. Those fish. Look, he's wearing some. And check out those pants. Hello. Looks nice though, doesn't it? Their setup and everything, they have all kinds of trucks all over the place. They got a very nice Christmas tree. I guess road cones are collectibles now? I don't know. That's what it says. And you can buy your back scratchers here too. That's all Iowa Hawkeye stuff. Goofy light up hat, light up earrings. Elves. Quite a few tie-dye shirts around here, I noticed. Find anything you couldn't live without yet?
There is so much stuff in here. There is like something new around every corner.
Did you see the sandals that are fish?
Did you see the sandals that are grass?
No, where are those?
Those are right by them.
Oh my gosh, how did I not see these? That is crazy. Literally homegrown, huh?
For the lady in your life, we have pink.
Oh, that is rad. That is so funny. If you're working on a gnome village, this is a good place to find some unseen things before. I shop for gnome stuff quite often. I've never seen any of these. Look at these guys having fun. Oh, I do love this. Corn cob. Come hear the corn grow. All right, we're gonna move on to one of the other sections of this place. This is not called the world's largest truck stop for nothing. Whoa. Famous replica guitars. It's Billy Joe Armstrong's from Green Day. Randy Rhoads' Flying V back there. Paul Stanley's Iceman. It's cool. Steve Vai's Gem right there. If you need a war helmet. Katie was just asking for one of these, and this is actually only $107, so I'll get her the black one, I'll get the red one, we'll fight out in the parking lot. And we'll fight with all of these. Wow, look at this seat. Couple of scarecrows. Now let's see what they have. That's interesting. They have like safety gear, like hard hats and all that stuff for people that do road maintenance and things like that. Oh, you can even buy guitars over here. See, I wasn't joking. Literally sell guitars. Giant semi inside here. That is pretty cool. Look down here. It says America the Beautiful on that banner. That is an amazing piece of artwork. Little river boat down there under the bridge. So I guess we're in Walcott technically, but Davenport's your kind of closest major city. Look, there's the Field of Dreams. If you build it, they will come. Is this heaven? No, this is Iowa. Mount Rushmore's up there. Goose and Maverick flying in that plane up there. Wow, that is something. That is quite a display. You got San Francisco up here. That looks like near out by Palm Springs with those windmills. All right, this is all crazy lights and customized lights. We're going back because there's another truck back here. Yeah, they boast they have their own truck museum. They really wanted to impress me. They should have found the semi from Over the Top. Lincoln Hawks. Oh, this is on a rotator. So that whole disc rotates slowly. That is beautiful though. Wow. That is really cool looking. Very cool hood ornament. Duck with the glowing green eyes. That is very cool. Katie, does that make you want to become a semi-truck driver?
Kinda. Say, slap the face from Maximum Overdrive on that thing and you got a deal.
Yeah, that would look good with the Maximum Overdrive face. I didn't know there were so many options for steering wheels. This is crazy. Whoa, look at the inside of that. Wow. It's like going to Toyota. That is pretty cool. Speaking of hood ornaments, look at all the ones that you can buy and put on your cars here or on your truck. These are great.
I like that nudie look down there.
I haven't got there yet. I'm looking at the gorillas. I'm just like stupefied right now on the gorillas. A pig. Pig hood ornaments. Those are happy pigs too. There's some of the crazy ducks. A flying pig. That's new. Oh, look at this. Look at this. The rabbit with the gun. Hello. Yeah. There's some more down here. The steer horns. Those are cool. Look at that. Over here's the worker gear. You can even get it with your favorite sports teams on it. They know their audience, or their shoppers. We're gonna go ahead and go up to the second floor and show you some of the things up there. So as soon as you get up to the top, you have the dentist's office here. And they do have an actual truck museum. It's just not in this building, it's its own building. So over here we have Ministry to Drivers. So if you need a little bit of religious help, whenever they're open, you can get it here. See what else we have down here. Fitness center. Here's our barber. Here's Santa. Ho, ho, ho. Here's the laundry. This should take us to the theater. Oh yeah. Fortunately, it's not open yet. There's just a cool lounge to hang out, relax. And if you need them, a good massage. So here's the trucking museum. I'm gonna show that another time when I come through here, because that looks like that's its own full-size museum. I had no idea what to expect. I was pleasantly surprised by how interesting this place was and what all they had that you could get here. What did you think, Katie? I mean, that was pretty crazy, right?
This is an amazing step. I mean, it's very useful if you're traveling on the road because anything you would possibly need would be here, but it's just fun to kind of take a peek around.
Crazy to see a barber, a dentist, a movie theater.
Everything.
Yeah, this was fun.
Uh-huh.
All right, my friends, thank you all for watching. We will see you next time from the Iowa 80, world's largest truck stop. Have a great night and goodbye.